If the Get button in the App Store on your iPhone isn't working, don't worry, I've got some solutions to help you out. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including network issues, account problems, or glitches. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Sign out and back into the App Store. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone. Sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 2. Clear App Store data. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App Store, scroll down, tap Personalized Recommendation, tap Clear App Usage Data. Solution 3. Check App Store restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure that iTunes and App Store purchases is set to allow. Now turn off restriction. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Get button not working in the App Store on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.